Today I am showing you how to make fresh homemade guacamole using a few ingredients. Cut avocados in half, remove the pits. Creamy, delicious and packed with vitamins, avocados are a superfood. Scoop the flesh into a mixing bowl. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats, fiber and essential nutrients. Good for your heart, great for your gut. Avocados do it all. Use a fork or a potato masher to mash until smooth or chunky. This depends on your style. Do try this easy recipe. Fuel your body with healthy fats and fiber from avocados. Here are the other ingredients that I used in this recipe. Mix in chopped tomato, chopped onion, chopped coriander leaves, green chili or jalapeno, lime juice, some salt and pepper and mix well. Taste and adjust lime or salt to your preference. Serve with tortilla chips, nachos, toast, tacos or as a dip. And that's it. Your creamy, zesty guacamole is ready. Got a guac twist? Drop it in comments. Like, share and subscribe.